Cardano value equivalent to 6.8181 rands a coin. The present cost range, 6.4513 The earlier day close, 6.7711. The change was plus 0.0470, plus 0.69%. Backwards rate, ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, June 7, cost 6.25 rands, high 6.69, low 5.81. Cardano conjecture on Thursday, June 8, cost 6.23 rands, high 6.67, low 5.79. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, June 9, cost 6.17 rands, high 6.60, low 5.74. Cardano gauge on Monday, June 12, cost 6.41 rands, high 6.86, low 5.96. In multi-week Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, June 13, cost 6.25 rands, high 6.69, low 5.81. Cardano gauge on Wednesday, June 14, cost 6.20 rands, high 6.63, low 5.77. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, June 15, cost 6.13 rands, high 6.56, low 5.70. Cardano gauge on Friday, June 16, cost 6.25 rands, high 6.69, low 5.81. Cardano cost forecast on Monday, June 19, cost 6.54 rands, high 7.00, low 6.08. In about 14 days Cardano gauge on Tuesday, June 20, cost 6.60 rands, high 7.06, low 6.14. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, June 21, cost 6.63 rands, high 7.09, low 6.17. Cardano gauge on Thursday, June 22, cost 6.55 rands, high 7.01, low 6.09. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, June 23, cost 6.47 rands, high 6.92, low 6.02. Cardano figure on Monday, June 26, cost 6.57 rands, high 7.03, low 6.11. In 3 weeks Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, June 27, cost 6.71 rands, high 7.18, low 6.24. Cardano figure on Wednesday, June 28, cost 6.51 rands, high 6.97, low 6.05. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, June 29, cost 6.53 rands, high 6.99, low 6.07. Cardano figure on Friday, June 30, cost 6.58 rands, high 7.04, low 6.12. Cardano cost expectation on Monday, July 3, cost 6.59 rands, high 7.05, low 6.13. In about a month Cardano figure on Tuesday, July 4, cost 6.83 rands, high 7.31, low 6.35. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, July 5, cost 6.82 rands, high 7.30, low 6.34. Cardano figure on Thursday, July 6, cost 6.79 rands, high 7.27, low 6.31. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Cardano cost expectation for June 2023. In the first place cost at 7.38 rands, exorbitant cost 7.53, while low cost 5.70. The found the middle value of cost 6.80. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 6.58, change for June 10.8%. Cardano gauge for July 2023. In the first place cost at 6.58 rands, exorbitant cost 7.39, while low cost 5.94. The found the middle value of cost 6.58. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 6.39, change for July 2.9%. Cardano cost expectation for August 2023. In the first place cost at 6.39 rands, exorbitant cost 6.98, while low cost 6.06. The found the middle value of cost 6.49. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 6.52, change for August 2.0%. Cardano gauge for September 2023. In the first place cost at 6.52 rands, exorbitant cost 7.13, while low cost 6.19. The found the middle value of cost 6.63. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 6.66, change for September 2.1%. Cardano cost expectation for October 2023. Before all else cost at 6.66 rands, excessive cost 7.86, while low cost 6.66. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.13. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 7.35. Change for October 10.4%. Cardano conjecture for November 2023. Before all else cost at 7.35 rands. Excessive cost 7.48, while low cost 6.50. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.08. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 6.99. Change for November 4.9%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2023. Before all else cost at 6.99 rands. Excessive cost 8.68, while low cost 6.99. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.69. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 8.11. Change for December 16.0%. Cardano conjecture for January 2024. Before all else cost at 8.11 rands. Excessive cost 8.11, while low cost 6.33. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.34. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 6.81. Change for January 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for February 2024. To start with cost at 6.81 rands. Exorbitant cost 6.81, while low cost 5.32. They found the middle value of cost 6.17. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 5.72. Change for February 16.0%. Cardano estimate for WAC 2024. To start with cost at 5.72 rands. Exorbitant cost 5.77, while low cost 5.01. They found the middle value of cost 5.47. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 5.39. Change for spring 5.8%. Cardano cost expectation for April 2024. To start with cost at 5.39 rands. Exorbitant cost 5.97, while low cost 5.19. They found the middle value of cost 5.53. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 5.58. Change for April 3.5%. Cardano estimate for May 2024. First and foremost cost at 5.58 rands. Exorbitant cost 5.58, while low cost 4.62. They found the middle value of cost 5.19. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 4.97. Change for May 10.9%. Cardano cost expectation for June 2024. In the first place cost at 4.97 rands. Exorbitant cost 6.10, while low cost 4.97. They found the middle value of cost 5.44. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 5.70. Change for June 14.7%. ZAR to ADA swapping scale equivalent to 0.1467 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.1453 minus 0.1550. The earlier days nearby 0.1477. Change for now 0.0010, 0.68%. Rand to Cardano estimate on Wednesday, June 7, cost